scary.
So,
But turns out they're okay.
what's she doing
Well,
there?
there are a lot of things that might scare us at first. But when we know a little more about them, we usually
Yeah.
find they can be interesting or fun.
Gordon.
Like how when I was a little star, I didn't want to go to sleep.
Yeah, look at him just stand up there.
Now I'm not scared anymore. Oh, you know, speaking of sleep, I think it's almost bedtime, Star.
You don't play with a computer, boy?
Already?
Huh?
But there are so many more things to do. Oh, I know. Let's tell another
Yeah.
shadow story. Maybe we could make a shadow poem. Oh, how about we play a shadow game? Or maybe we could... Besides, I think the Sproutlets at home are ready to brush their teeth and wash their
Yeah.
hands with you. They are.
What's she doing?
Well, if you Sproutlets are ready, then I'm ready too. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Every tooth, no need to rush. Brush them every night until they're bright. And that's it. And that's it. Now it's time to wash our faces. Rub, scrub, rub, scrub. And the sink or in a tub. Soap and water's all it takes, you'll see. And soon you'll be so clean that you'll sparkle like this. And that's clean. You look nice and cozy, Star. I'm not looking for but it's the time for the and dream of all the wonderful adventures you have tomorrow. You must come with us on our adventures? Of course. But for now, close your eyes. Good night, Nina. Good night, Star.
What is you, boy?
And if it's your bedtime too, Sproutlets, a very good night to you. But if you're still up, let's see who's here to play with us.
Yeah.
Can you tell us who it is? Hey, I wonder who it could be.
Hi, Nina and Star. It's me, Driver Dan. Are you ready for a nighttime story? All aboard!